Hey baby, you ready for tonight?
With you boys, always. I'm so exhausted, but wow, that was amazing.
I got her favorite snacks. She's gonna love this. Hey, babe.
Just stop talking. You're pathetic.
Hey, how was your day?
Those guys really know how to have fun.
Why is she acting like this today?
So you enjoyed last night? Man, that was wild.
Something's wrong. Help! Congratulations, you're having twins. One looks like a lamb and one like a hippo.
What? How is that even possible?